What's going on, guys? Today we are back with Cory in his blue pickup, got my gray pickup, and we're gonna go find some snow. Hopefully some deep stuff, and heck yeah, stay tuned.
Living under mama's skirt, so she would never get hurt. Held tight by daddy's arms, so she couldn't work all her charms. Oh, but everything comes to an end.
Now I'm stuck
Now
again.
you're stuck. Oh man. Oh, looks like I gotta hook up.
Blue eyes, blonde hair, don't care. Attitude that gets her everywhere, and she's out there looking for love. She's got that blue eyes, blonde hair, don't care. Attitude that gets her everywhere, and she's out there looking for love. She holds her glass up high. She's drowning out the noise. She's screaming out her lungs.
Eventually down this trail, we came across a tree blocking the road. And we didn't really have much to actually take the tree off the road. We didn't have a saw or an axe, so we decided to go around. I think the better line is right through here.
Blue eyes, blonde hair, don't care. Attitude that gets her everywhere, and she's out there looking for love. Blue eyes, blonde hair, don't care. Attitude that gets her everywhere, and she's out there looking for love. I'm guiding her through the night. I'm getting her out alive. Her fingers intertwined with mine, even for a little while. But when the evening ends, we're back to being friends. Oh, and everything comes to her. And everything comes to her. Blue eyes, blonde hair, don't care. Attitude that gets her everywhere, and she's out there looking for love. She's got that blue eyes, blonde hair, don't care. Attitude that gets her everywhere, and she's out there looking for love. She's out there looking for. 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 She's out there looking for.
And back up a little. There you go. Now you should be able to come through here if that's your plan. Uh-oh.
What?
Your rear diff just dragged right over that big stump.
Perfect.
So all of this, just to get around this tree, I need to air down more. Cory figures and he's in a better spot now, so we'll see. Woohoo! Oh, almost slipped off the camera. So now I'm down to about 3 PSI on each tire, so let's see if that actually makes a difference here. That's not the right spot.
No.
Just keep it cranked and pin it. Woo! Wasn't that just too easy? All right, we're now over the tree. Watch, this road's gonna end in 50 feet now around the corner. I can confirm the road ended in 50 feet. All right, we've been climbing for a while. It's been getting deeper and deeper. And I started turning around up here. And then all of a sudden, Cory came around a corner. I assumed he wasn't gonna make it up this. But it's getting late, so we're turning around anyways. And then Cory decides to do this. That's fun. You should be able to get out of that, no problem, all right, Cory?
We'll see. I don't know.
But yeah, it's buried to the bumper there. His 33s are clearly adequate for this.
Yes.
So I'm gonna have to tug him out. Unfortunately, you're not gonna see that because we don't have a cameraman today. Well, that was awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed that bit of snow wheeling. I'm sorry I didn't have a cameraman today. We couldn't capture as much as I would have loved to, especially when we got into the deep stuff. It just didn't really work to get out and film. Anyways, guys, if you like the stuff, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.